All district education officers, please note, these appointments are permanent basis. These are on permanent basis, not on contract basis. Please be careful while issuing the offer letters. Today I came across with one offer letter. It was written that on contract basis. This is wrong. This is not contract basis. This is on permanent basis. So please follow the pattern which has already been given to you through HR department. If you feel any difficulty, contact Mr. Kishore and do not make any change. Please do not make any change in the format given to you. Follow the proper pattern. Thank you.